Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the reactive plate perk armor and Call of Duty Warzone, and let's get straight into the video. So just make your way over to weapons, loadouts, and go to your any loadout you want to change. Now it does say reactive armor right here is locked, and it doesn't really say any way to unlock it, and it's not in the battle pass as of right now, so there could be one of two things. One thing is that it's glitched and the game didn't update correctly, so it wasn't unlocked, or the other thing is that it's actually going to be unlocked through an event, how it like other items were, like the maestro shotgun, sorry, Maelstrom shotgun. Like this shotgun, how it was unlocked through an event, it could be the same way that it could be unlocked through an event, in Warzone more specifically, because it's not available in multiplayer zombies. But like I said, there's no way to actually unlock it. There's no concrete way. It's not even in the battle pass. Like some guns right now, the new guns like Cypher or the SMGs like the PPSH. These guns are not like, you can't see them. You can't see them, or you can see them in the battle pass, but this perk right now there's nothing, so you might just have to wait a few days to actually be able to use it. If you do get the specialist perk in game, it's possible that you could pick it up with that. So other than that, there's no way to actually unlock it. You will have to wait until, like, another update maybe, but it should be fixed. And yeah, but anyways, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.